Cashy, what exactly is passive income? It's money working for you instead of you working for money. So I don't have to work at all? You work first to build the system. Build these systems, because systems require patience, not excitement. Does passive income take time to grow? Time is the most important ingredient. Can small investments create passive income? Yes, if they're consistent and long-term. Is the stock market a passive income system? Dividends and long-term growth make it one. So income can arrive without selling assets? Exactly, that's real passive income. Why does passive income sound boring? Because boring systems usually work best. People prefer fast money, don't they? Fast money usually disappears fast. So slow systems are safer? Slow systems are more predictable. Does passive income mean no effort? It means effort upfront, not forever. Why upfront effort matters? Systems need structure to run smoothly. Is learning part of the system? Knowledge is the foundation. What happens if I stop building? Systems stop growing, but still function. Is growth always slow? Slow growth compounds into big results. Is this where compounding helps? Compounding rewards patience. Does time reduce risk here? Time smooths outcomes. What about market drops? Systems survive volatility. Should systems be diversified? Diversification increases stability. Is protection part of passive income? Protection keeps systems alive. So one income stream isn't enough? One stream is fragile. Systems need backups. Is that why people build multiple systems? Exactly. Stability comes from variety. Does diversification reduce stress too? Yes, fewer surprises mean calmer decisions. What happens during market drops? Good systems keep working through volatility. So time strengthens passive income systems? Time rewards systems built correctly. Is compounding part of every system? Compounding is the engine behind growth. Why do people quit too early? They confuse slow progress with failure. How do you stay consistent then? By trusting the plan, not emotions. Should systems be reviewed often? Reviewed calmly, not constantly adjusted. So systems create financial security? Systems turn effort into long-term stability. Why do people quit too early? They expect results before systems mature. How long should people wait? Long enough for compounding to work. Is emotion the enemy? Emotion ruins systems. What protects the system most? Discipline and consistency. Should we ignore the noise? Noise distracts from systems. Does clarity improve results? Clarity removes mistakes. Can passive income change lifestyles? It changes choices first. Is freedom the real goal? Freedom is a byproduct. Balance comes from systems. Systems create stability. Confidence grows over time. Confidence follows consistency. Does passive income reduce financial stress? Yes, because it reduces dependence on one paycheck. Is relying on one income really that risky? One income means one point of failure. So systems protect against uncertainty? Systems create resilience in uncertain times. Even when markets feel unstable, especially when markets feel unstable. Passive income sounds very long-term focused. Long-term thinking is what makes it work. So patience is non-negotiable here? Patience is the price of stability. This changes how I see money completely. That's the shift from earning to building. Systems turn effort into structure, right? Exactly, structure removes randomness. This adventure feels more logical now. Clarity always replaces confusion. So passive income is about systems and patience. And that's how smart money is built. Is this still part of our adventure? This is the foundation of it. More systems, more stability? Exactly. Passive income reduces stress, it reduces dependence. Dependence on one income is risky? Very risky. So systems protect freedom. Systems protect choices. This takes vision, right? Long-term vision. I see money differently now. That's financial maturity. Passive income isn't magic. It's structured patience. Systems change everything. They change outcomes. This adventure makes sense now, and it's only beginning.